Well, hello there. Welcome back mga ka-beauties. In today's video, I'll talk about this iherb Kbeauty Kit. I will be sharing my thoughts sa naging experience ko sa paggamit ng Kbeauty Kit na ito. This Kbeauty Kit contains travel sizes of Kbeauty products. Yung mga packaging niya, they are very cute and very adorable. Just take a look at this. Ayan. Mga ganyan. Maliliit na cutie. And this kit also is very good for traveling. It's very convenient, it's very handy, and it has great and diverse range of Kbeauty products. Also, ang kagandahan ng kit na ito is kung gusto mo munang i-try yung isang product or few products ng Kbeauty, this kit would be a very good idea bago bumili ng full size para di masayang ang pera. I got mine when it was on discount at like $12. It was before originally priced at $19. So guys, yung Kbeauty Kit na ito includes makeup remover, cleanser, essence toner, serums, essences, sleeping pack. Ito yung mga content niya. So I'll start with Heimish. So this one is a solid balm na makeup remover. Pero pag minamassage mo siya sa skin, nagiging oil siya. And then kapag nahaluan ng tubig, nagiging milky white yung kulay niya. And lightweight lang yung texture ng product na ito. But it removes makeup and residue effortlessly without stripping the natural oils of the skin. Okay lang siya sa akin, but it gives me a breakout. Ito yung dahilan kaya ako nagka-pimple dito eh. So, I will stick to my Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. Okay, second product na laman ng Kbeauty Kit na ito is itong Kbeauty Pure Pulsation Revitalizing Facial Cleansing Foam. Ito siya. This has a soft, pearly, milky fragrance and it's very foamy too. So if you are like me who loves cleansers which are very foamy, then definitely you will love this. I used this morning and also sa evening. Pero on the third day of use, napansin ko, after washing my face off, nagiging dry and tight siya. So I stopped using it and I went back to using my aloe vera cleanser from Nature's Republic. Kasi mas hydrating yon at hindi nakaka-dry ng skin. Whereas itong Kbeauty, after 3 days na ginamit ko, naging dry kaagad yung skin ko tapos nagbabakbak yung gilid ng ilong. I don't like it. So I'm not gonna repurchase the full size. Okay, moving on. Kasama sa kit na ito is itong iherb Quick Cleansing Dry Tissue. Yan siya. Itong cleanser na ito is very convenient. It saves a lot of space. Kasyang-kasya siya sa wallet na yung mahaba. Fold mo lang siyang ganito, kasya siya. So it's very handy. Ang itsura ng laman nito is parang yung wet wipes but it's dry and it has an embossed sides. It's thick but soft and it provides deep cleansing. All in one step ang cleanser na ito kasi it cleanses and restores moisture in the skin. So yes, I'm considering to buy the full pack. Okay, so next na laman ng Kbeauty Kit is yung Puncanule Mask. Ito naman is a 3-step skincare. Ayan siya. May step 1. Ito yung step 1 niya. Magkakadikit yan eh. Pero syempre nagamit ko na, so hinahiwa-hiwalay ko na. Ganyan siya. So meron siyang step 1, step 2 yung mask, and step 3 is yung balancing gel niya. So yung step 1 is the peeling gel. Contains the peeling gel. It's a silky smooth peeling gel that smooths the texture of the skin by wiping away excess amounts of sebum or waste from the skin. Pagkatapos mong maghilamos, i-dry mo yung face mo, tapos ilagay mo lang tong peeling gel na to. Imamassage mo siya maalis yung dead skin cells na parang libag ang itsura niya. Then after that, i-wash off mo itong peeling gel. Sunod na gagamitin is itong essence toner. Yung mask na to contains yung best seller ng Kbeauty, which is the essence toner. Ilalagay mo yung mask sa face mo and then leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes. After 10 to 20 minutes, massage mo yung excess product sa face and then you move on to seal in all those moisture and nutrients on the face. Ganun. You seal it with this balancing gel. Ito yung step number 3 niya. Okay. So this is a viscous honey-formed cream. Stretches and adheres to the skin perfectly, leaving skin soft and supple. Agree ako dun. Gusto ko yung soft and supple of the morning after na ginamit mo yon. Pero yung pag-apply sa kanya, mahirap. Mahirap siyang i-apply sa skin kasi masyadong malapot. Pero napakaganda ng effect, ha? Itong Kbeauty 3-step skincare mask. I like this one, lalo na kapag ka nagto-travel ka. Napaka-convenient nito dalhin. Kasi andito na lahat. Meron na siyang cleanser, mask, and balancing gel. Okay, so moving on, dun tayo sa Kbeauty Essence Toner. Here it is. Tignan nyo naman gaano siya ka-cute, di ba? It is in 30 ml. Okay, so this size is 30 ml. Super cute niya. Itong Kbeauty Essence Toner is nutrient-filled serum-like toner which is very hydrating. Yung consistency ng Essence Toner na to is thicker than the Klairs Supple Preparation Unscented Toner. Pero once applied sa skin, nagiging water consistency siya and it is easily absorbed by the skin. At hindi siya nagiging sticky even if you apply it in 3 to 5 layers, hindi siya sticky. I keep on repurchasing this. This is not actually my first time using this. I've been using this even before I've bought the Kbeauty Kit. Love na love ko to. I love the ingredients, the formulation, kasi it's clean and it's very hydrating. And any product which is very hydrating is an instant love for me. Next na laman ng ating Kbeauty Kit, Benton Fermentation Eye Cream. Benton Fermentation Eye Cream naman is very hydrating eye cream. It softens the fine lines around the eye area. And napansin ko din na may firming effect siya. What I love about this eye cream, meron siyang fermented anti-aging ingredients. Pero may but ako. Ang ayaw ko din naman sa product na ito, medyo mahirap siyang ma-absorb sa skin. Like you really need to press it on hanggang sa ma-absorb siya sa skin. And it takes time bago siya ma-absorb sa skin. I'm not anyway a fan of eye cream, so hindi ko bibilhin. Another inclusion sa Kbeauty Kit is yung Benton Snail Bee Content Essence. It comes in 15 ml. Ito siya. Gel type siya, but once it touches the skin, nag-liquefy siya kaagad. At super dali lang itong ma-absorb sa skin. But I have no plans in repurchasing this because in terms of hydration, it's not enough. Pero maganda yung formula nito because it is formulated with niacinamide, which is vitamin B3, bee venom, and snail filtrate. Another reason kaya ko hindi repurchase is mas prefer ko yung favorite ko, which is CosRX Snail Mucin Essence. Next up, which I really ordered it pero hindi pa dumating, is itong Huxley Secret of Sahara Anti-Gravity Cream. Ito ginamit ko alone in 1 week. Ang ganda niya, guys. In the first week na nagamit ko itong Huxley Anti-Gravity Cream, napansin ko na may lifting effect talaga siya. Yung pagising ko ng umaga, banat yung aking face. Meron siyang firming effect. And I'm not lying. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, meron talaga siyang instant firming effect. The texture of this Huxley Secret Sahara Anti-Gravity Cream is very soft and buttery. In-apply mo siya sa skin, para siyang oil, but no oily feeling at all. And as you massage it, it melts into the skin, making the skin supple and firm and youthful looking the following morning. Sinasabi ko sa inyo guys, it's true. Talaga instant effect siya. Even the first night na ginamit ko, may instant firming effect talaga siya. And next na laman ng Kbeauty Kit is yung Daily Delight Real Egging Pack. Isang pack lang yung kasama doon, but I'm planning to purchase the full pack. Kasi ang ganda rin ng effect nito. Yung effect niya is, firming effect niya is parang yung Huxley Anti-Gravity Cream lang siya, pero may added brightening. I've made a separate video sa Daily Delight na to. You can watch it. Medyo matagal na yon. Kasi yon yung inuna kong ginamit. Bago yung ibang products dito. If you will be looking for a travel skincare, ito ang marirecommend ko sa inyong travel skincare kit. Kasi andito na lahat. Okay, so yon yung ating video for today. And thank you for watching. See you again on my next video.